Temporary Business Energy Support Scheme is intended to support businesses cope with the rising cost of electricity and gas. It allows qualifying businesses to claim back up to 40% of the increase in their bills up to certain limits. The scheme will be administered by Revenue, which means that tax clearance is a precondition to accessing the scheme. Claimants will claim and register on ROS and make a declaration that they meet the conditions to qualify for the support. Businesses need to be prepared to provide backup or evidence that you meet all conditions, as Revenue may run reviews, as they did for the COVID-19 wage support schemes. The scheme is open to businesses carrying on a trade or profession and covers individuals, partnerships and companies. Certain tax-exempt charities and sporting bodies are also included. There are no conditions around the size of the business, but there are monetary limits on how much can be claimed. The scheme operates by comparing the average unit price for the relevant bill period in 2022 with the average unit price in the corresponding period in 2021. For example, you compare your September 2022 bill with your September 2021 bill. If you didn't have a bill in September 2021 because you're a new business, then you use a deemed unit price provided by the SEAI. In order to be eligible for the scheme, the average unit price for gas or electricity, as the case may be, must have increased by more than 50%. If so, the business can make claims for 40% of the amount of the increase in the bill, up to a monthly cap of €10,000 per trade or location of the business, subject to a maximum of €30,000 per month per qualifying business. An overall cap of €500,000 applies to each qualifying business for the period covered by the scheme, with lower limits applying to businesses engaged in farming and fishing. For now, we know the scheme will operate for energy costs in the period September 2022 to February 2023, and the Minister has the power to extend the scheme to April 2023. As the scheme is subject to state aid rules, no payments will be made until the government gets approval from the EU. It can be expected there will be further developments in relation to the scheme, so stay updated by checking out our website.